Welcome to Bike Review Hub, where we bring you detailed, faceless reviews of the latest motorcycles and scooters. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Zontes 368G, a high-tech, powerful crossover scooter that blends performance, practicality, and advanced features in a package that rivals many lightweight motorcycles. This isn't just a city commuter. It's a versatile ride for modern riders who want more from their scooter. What the Zontes 368G is. The Zontes 368G is a premium crossover scooter that offers motorcycle-like capability while retaining the convenience of automatic transmission. With its 368cc engine, advanced electronics, and adventure-inspired design, it sits between traditional scooters and mid-size motorcycles. It's built for riders who want power, comfort, daily usability, and touring potential without sacrificing ease of operation, engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Zontes 368G is a 368cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing around 38.8 HP, 28.5 kilowatts, and roughly 40 nanometers of torque figures that are exceptionally strong for a scooter. This power output gives the 368G confident acceleration, strong mid-range punch, and enough torque to handle highway speeds with ease. The advanced electronic fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response and efficient combustion, making city rides smooth and highway transitions effortless. Power delivery is strong but predictable, offering both confidence and comfort across varied riding conditions. Transmission and ride ease. One of the defining features of the 368G is its CVT automatic transmission. This system lets riders focus on the road rather than clutching gear changes. With twist-and-go convenience, the 368G is easy to handle in urban environments, while its engine performance gives it the capability to cruise comfortably at higher speeds. The CVT's wide ratio spread helps keep the engine in its optimal range, delivering strong pickup from low speeds and relaxed cruising at highway speeds with minimal effort. Chassis, wheels, and handling. Unlike most scooters, the 368G features motorcycle-like dimensions in its wheel and tire setup. The 17-inch front wheel and 14-inch rear wheel combination gives greater stability and grip than smaller scooter wheels, especially on rough or uneven surfaces. These larger wheels, paired with dual-purpose tires, improve both high-speed stability and cornering confidence. The scooter's rigid yet lightweight chassis enhances handling precision, whether navigating crowded urban streets or sweeping curves on open roads. The 368G balances agility with confidence, making it feel more like a motorcycle than a typical scooter. Advanced suspension system. The suspension on the Zontes 368G is one of its standout features. Up front, adjustable inverted forks provide improved feedback and stability, while at the rear, dual adjustable shocks with preload control allow the rider to tailor ride quality based on load, terrain, or personal preference. This setup absorbs bumps and uneven pavement better than basic scooter suspensions, contributing to a smoother, more controlled ride, whether in traffic or on long hauls. Braking and safety features. The braking system on the 368G is robust and confidence-inspiring. A 300 mm front disc with a multi-piston radial caliper and a 240 mm rear disc, both supported by dual-channel ABS, deliver strong and stable stopping performance across surfaces. Additional safety systems like traction control help prevent wheel spin under challenging conditions, enhancing rider confidence in wet or slippery conditions.